Now, you might all think that this looks pretty easy, going back and forth with the tractor, just pushing the dirt around, but it actually takes a lot longer than you would think. This process took us a couple days to get the land just how it should be in order to start laying the bricks down.
All week, the time has come for all us cowboys to have some fun. So grab yourself a nice cold beer and drop it down in a four-wheel drive. Man, what a great time to be alive. So get your butt in gear.